Push the green lever up to go faster. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. That's perfect! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Super! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Let's get this back on track. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Good job! Super! Woohoo! Yeah! Love that! Time to pick a new toy.